Welcome back to Whelen software walkthroughs and how-tos. Today we are going to talk about the accessories page in the rear RTX inner edge. The rear RTX inner edge counts as one of the two accessories that you can have with Carbide. The light bar and the weekend external siren amplifier do not count as accessories. I've already selected create a new configuration and will now select the rear RTX inner edge from the accessories list. We then need to set our light count, our light type, and our mounting location. Depending on the light count and type, the color and size of the rear RTX inner edge will change. Let's click continue. On the accessories page is where we'll make all our changes to the rear RTX inner edge. If we select the LTTA, the RTTA, or the flash button, we can see the traffic advisor LEDs already have the proper flash pattern applied to them. We can change the pattern on the TA direction page for the LTTA and the RTTA buttons. When changing the pattern, we'll be changing it for the ARM integrated, the rear light bar, and the RTX inner edge TA. Programming a flash pattern on the rear RTX inner edge is identical to programming a light bar flash pattern. We first want to select the button we wish to program, and then we want to select the LEDs we wish to apply a flash pattern to. When selecting light heads in the rear RTX inner edge, you'll notice that the red and blue are selected in pairs. This is because they share the same output. Once we have our LEDs selected, we want to choose a flash pattern from the flash pattern list. I will choose Action Flash. Here we can see the Action Flash pattern symbol has been applied to each selected light head. We can simulate this flash pattern by clicking on the Simulate button. Here we see Action Flashes displayed in simultaneous mode. If we wish to alternate the driver's side with the passenger side, we can set the driver's side to phase 1, 0 degrees, and the passenger side to phase 2, 180 degrees, using the Quick Alternate button. If we now click on Simulate again, we can see that they alternate phase 1 and phase 2. If we are looking for a more unique flash pattern, we can use the Quick Unsync button. This will start with the end setting a 0 millisecond delay, working our way up to the center up to a 30 millisecond delay. We click on the Simulate button again, we can see our unique flash pattern being displayed. We can also set the custom phase and the custom delay for each light head. If we were setting up a cruise light button and we wanted to set some of the light heads in the rear RTX to cruise, we would select the Cruise View tab. We would select the light heads we wish to cruise and select Cruise On. Here we see the cruise symbol has been applied to all of the selected light heads. If we were setting up a low power button, we would click on the Power View tab, select the light heads we wish to put into low power, and select Low Power. Here we see the low power symbol has been applied to each selected light head. If we wish to remove a flash pattern, a cruise pattern, or a low power pattern, we can select the light head we wish to remove it from and select the red X, removing the pattern. Please stay tuned for our next video where we talk about the priorities page. Thanks for watching.